Check this out. What an amazing view. That's Mount Cook. Wow. Hi guys, now we are ready to hike Hooker Valley. So if you check it out, we have Hooker Valley, we have Alpine Memorial 5 minutes, Mueller Lookout 15 minutes, the Hooker Lake is 1 hour and 35 minutes, and I think that's what we're gonna be doing. So super excited because the weather is just so beautiful. Look at the Alps, guys, and this guy here. Check that out. Mount Cook is here, there at the back, and here's my hike buddy. That's Dodge. Check him out at I am Dodge in Instagram. Okay, say something. Come on. It's a pillow too. He's from Auckland. Hey guys. So we're gonna do the Hooker Lake, and it's gonna be good. He's just chilling like a villain. He's ready. Oh, okay. The people are actually walking now. You know, we're so lucky. I think that's my lucky charm there, Dodge, because yesterday, guys, the weather was really bad. It was raining, and today it's such a beautiful day, and tomorrow it's gonna rain. So this is like, we are having a jackpot here. So look at that amazing place. Actually guys, I feel like I'm in Switzerland. You know, Switzerland is my favorite country in the world, and now I have another one, which is New Zealand, guys. This one is only 2 hours and a half, 2 hours and 30 minutes flight from Melbourne. So I think I'm gonna be coming back here like often, and I want to experience here in winter, because they said winter is really beautiful here too. So this is an all year round place to have fun. So that's it. It is really good. They're everywhere, guys. Guys, I'm back here, but check this out, guys. Check this out. Check this out. Oh, what an amazing view. That's Mount Cook. Wow. It's just a beautiful view. And look at that, guys. So here, actually, it's pretty. Look at that, that's an amazing view. But I think last night it rained, so that's why the color of the water is kind of brown, but it's usually blue because it's glacier water. And here's Budgie. Look at him. It's like an amazing view, man. Crazy. Check this out. Look at the view. God, it's so beautiful here. Oh God, I'm surrounded with Alps, and that beauty there is Mount Cook. Stunning. Actually, guys, this one looks like the Matterhorn in Switzerland, but I think it's more beautiful. It's amazing. The landscape here is stunning. God. And New Zealand is only, especially Queenstown, is only 2 hours and a half, 2 hours and 30 minutes by plane from Melbourne. So I'll be often here. I'll come back in winter time. Guys, check this out. This is the Hooker Valley Lake right now because last night I think it rained, so it's kind of dirty. But there was no rain. This one is blue. But right now it's just dirty, but still stunning. You see the mountain there, that's Mount Cook. Majestic. Look at this. And other army. And you guys, you can see there's an iceberg floating there. So, and the glacier is right there. That's a glacier. Check that out. Amazing view. People are actually resting. Check that out. And I need to go back. It's 1 hour, 30 minutes. Guys, there's an avalanche. Check that out. Can you see it? Oh my god, look at the avalanche. God, these plants are killing me. These people are the avalanche, man. These are glaciers, guys. You see that bluish color? These are glaciers. Amazing. Thank you for watching. Hooker Valley Trek is the most epic short hike in New Zealand. It is in Mount Cook National Park in the South Island. The hike is only 10 kilometers return and it will only take you around 2 to 3 hours with an elevation gain of just 100 meters. So it's suitable for all fitness levels. During the hike, you will be crossing 3 picturesque suspension bridges that will lead you to the Hooker Valley Glacial Lake. You can visit Mount Cook National Park all year round, but the best time is in summer, which is from December to February. It is also beautiful during winter time, which is from June to August, wherein the place will turn into a winter wonderland. Getting there is so easy, whether you're coming from Lake Tekapo or Lake Wanaka. And if you're driving, there's a lot of parking at the trailhead. If you're planning of staying there for a night or so, by far, the White Horse Hill campsite is the best and the cheapest place to stay. And it's only $15 per person per night. There are also other accommodations in the nearby Mount Cook village, like the Hermitage Hotel, Mount Cook Lodge Motel, Mount Cook Lodge and Motel, Aoraki Court Motel, Aoraki Mount Cook Alpine Lodge, and the YHA Mount Cook. But you have to book way in advance because there are only few hotels in the Mount Cook village area. If you're driving, you can actually stay further down, like Pukaki or around Lake Pukaki. Guys, if you have any questions, please write that in the comments below. Complete guide is in the description below. And please, please, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. And also follow me on Instagram at shoestring.traveler. Thank you.